Hi guys, if your Emerson TV is frozen or not turning on properly, you can just simply reset it and most of the problems are going to fix. So in this guide, you are going to learn how to reset it with or without a remote on all the models. So on the Emerson TV, you need to check if you see the Roku interface or if it is a basic menu. The reset steps are different depending on the system your TV uses. Now you need to simply press the menu button on your remote and go to the setup or the settings. Now here when you are inside the settings, you just have to simply look for the option of the reset default. So when you are able to simply press this option of reset default, you will be asked to enter the pin. So you need to enter the pin which is commonly 0000. This is going to restore the original settings and it will also clear the software issues. Now, in order to reset Emerson via Roku TV, you first of all have to press the home button on the remote. Afterwards, go to the settings, then go to the systems, then go to advanced system settings. Then you just have to look for the option of factory reset. After selecting it, it is going to ask you for the confirmation, so you need to confirm it. Then enter the code that will be shown on the screen in order to confirm it. And this is also wipe out the applications, apps, and the network settings. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.